Now we move on to the next set of properties, that is third group of properties. Here we have again a very similar structure on left hand side. That is, we first take, or the outer function is the trigonometric function, and inside that we have the inverse trigonometric function of the same function, right? So sine inverse of x is equal to x. So now you see the same rule applies for all the cases, but it is important to note that like in each of these properties, x must belong to the respective domain of the inverse trigonometric function. So in the first property, whatever is the value of x, that must lie between -1 to 1, okay, because only then the sine inverse of that value will exist. Similarly, for all other functions also, x should lie in their respective domains. Okay. So in this case, like this is what we customarily say, that like we can nullify sine and sine inverse, okay, but that is by keeping in mind that x belongs to the required domain. Now there is another similar property as we see next, in which the order of these functions is interchanged. That is, outside we have inverse function and inside we have the original trigonometric function. So that is our next group of properties. So here sine inverse of sine x is equal to x, and similarly for the rest, but only when x belongs to the principal value branch of the respective inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so only then we would say that sine inverse and sine can be nullified or cancelled. Okay, but if it is not, then we have to adjust and find out the answer correctly.